So EspressReport ES offers some pretty powerful ad hoc reporting capabilities. We can make reports or charts using this Quick Designer interface. Let's take a look at the Quick Designer reports. So you can use the data view to make a basically ad hoc query, or you can use a pre-built query and go right to the report designer. Let's first take a look at using the data view that comes with the sample data registry. So let's pick several fields: order ID, date, product name, unit price, and quantity. And we can also make a computer field by, in this example, let's try to get the unit price multiplied by quantity to make a field, and then we rename it to say it's sales. Alright, and then we hit next. In this dialog, you can further customize the query. For example, you can do some sorting. You can do aggregation, like you want to do a group by and aggregate some other columns. Or you can say which column you want to make invisible. In this example, let's put in a condition for date. So let's select from column and use the between clause, begin date and an end date. So this condition would be applied to the query, and at this point you can quickly take a look at the query result set, and you can also look at the SQL statement generated by the interface. Let's save the query. You actually do not need to save it, but and you can continue by clicking OK. But in this example, let's go ahead and just save the query and give it a name. Say query 2, and it will be saved into a node under the invoicing data view. Click OK, and we are ready to make a report. So this is a drag and drop interface. Let's say pick several columns, quantity and sales, and you can adjust the width of the columns by just dragging the heading. You can make a summary report by doing grouping. For example, here let's group order ID, group by order ID, and we can also do aggregation. Say let's do sum of sales for each group, and also add a label, say a subtotal. And we can also do some pagination. Let's say a fixed pagination, number of pages, bottom pagination position, and go to the end and actually add another label, say total. grand total, I guess. And we can also do some formatting. For example, let's get rid of the 1000 separator for order ID. Fixed point. So no 1000 separator, and basically these are just integers. And so now the order IDs looks like text instead of numbers. Then you can apply different styles, and these are predefined style that you can easily apply to the report. And let's also add a title. Let's call this order details report. Then you can export to different formats. Let's say a PDF, or Excel, and open the Excel sheet, and so on. And you can save the report for later consumption as well. So just go ahead and give it a name, say sales order details, and select a folder, say save it to demo. So that concludes the demo for this simple quick designer reports for ad hoc reporting interface. Thank you for watching.